The error message inZOI, DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, typically means that your computer does not meet the minimum requirements to run the game or application inZOI because it lacks DirectX 12 support. Here's how you can troubleshoot and fix the issue. Possible causes and solutions. 1. Your GPU doesn't support DirectX 12. Check GPU compatibility. Open Run, Win+R, type DXDIAG and press Enter. Go to the Display tab and check feature levels. If you don't see 12_1, your GPU does not support DX12. If your GPU is too old, e.g. Intel HD 4000, AMD HD 7000 series, or NVIDIA GTX 600 series or older, you may need to upgrade your graphics card. Some older GPUs like GTX 700 series have partial DX12 support but may still fail. 2 outdated GPU drivers. Update your graphics drivers. NVIDIA, download from GeForce Experience. AMD, download from AMD drivers. Intel, download from Intel graphics drivers. 3 Windows version. Too old DirectX 12 requires Windows 10 version 1607 or later, or Windows 11th. Check your Windows version, press Win+R, type WinVer, and press Enter. Solution: if you're on Windows 7/8.1, upgrade to Windows 10/11. If on an older Windows 10 build, run Windows Update. 4. Game app requires a specific DX12 feature. Some games need DirectX 12 Ultimate, e.g. for ray tracing. Check if your GPU supports DX12 Ultimate. NVIDIA, RTX 2000, 3000, 4000 series. AMD, RX 6000, 7000 series. Intel. ARC GPUs. If your GPU doesn't support it, you may need to switch to a DX11 mode if the game allows. If none of the above works, your hardware might simply be incompatible. You can try running the game in DirectX 11 mode if available. Contact the game support team for further help. Would you like help checking your system specs in detail? Let me know.